The Lieutenant Governor of Delhi has ordered a special probe as far as the Delhi hospital fire is concerned, in which 7 newborn babies lost their life. Now, the Lieutenant Governor has ordered an ACB probe into the fire licenses. The Lieutenant Governor has said that regulatory management of private nursing homes should be checked. Absence of ministerial oversight and criminal neglect hitting out also at the Aam Aadmi Party government. My colleague Ishika now joins us with more details at this moment. Ishika, Lieutenant Governor not only ordering a probe but also in fact hitting out, using this as an opportunity to hit out at the Aam Aadmi Party government.
Well, yes, Ankit, as you rightly pointed out, Lieutenant Governor, in fact, has ordered a special probe after the Delhi fire tragedy. And not just this, it is again, Lieutenant Governor versus the Delhi government in Delhi in this case as well. Because here, if we look, Lieutenant Governor, in his note to the Chief Secretary, has ordered an ACB probe, a special probe into this matter as to what is the number of the nursing homes that are running in Delhi and that are actually running without any valid registration, and those who actually have a valid registration, whether or not they are complying with the norms or not. Now, in fact, not just that, in fact, in his note to the Chief Secretary, he has also said that there are 1,190 nursing homes that are currently running, but quarter of them do not have a valid registration. So that needs to be checked, and because of that, an ACB probe has been ordered. He has also, in fact, told the Chief Secretary to direct all the district magistrates to also do a field verification of all those nursing homes which are actually functioning in Delhi, and then compare the data to that what is already present with the health department, so that the magnitude of this problem can be known. He has also in fact said that as of now that there is a manual process of getting a registration for the nursing homes, which in fact leaves a room for ambiguity and also corruption. So that should be made online, which should be open for public scrutiny, is what Lieutenant Governor has now ordered in his note to the Chief Secretary. Now, what here is in fact also important to note is that he has said that this recent fire tragedy, in fact, he says, has shown the lack of seriousness on the part of ministers. In fact, he has also blamed the Chief Minister and said that I am disappointed that the Chief Minister and Minister have only paid lip service and given sound bites, finding alibis and shrinking responsibilities. Administration cannot be run on social media, nor by brushing such serious matters under the carpet. So these are, in fact,
right,
the remarks coming from the Lieutenant Governor. Lieutenant Governor certainly blaming this on the Aam Aadmi Party government,
okay,
of this Delhi fire tragedy. Over to you.